Hey guys, welcome to another video. This time I will explain how to transfer files between two laptops through Wi-Fi. Now keep in mind that this process will only work if you're connected to the same Wi-Fi network. The process itself is pretty simple, so you just need to follow the method I will provide and you will be good to go. Now without wasting any more time, let's get started. First of all, go to the search menu and search Control Panel. Then go to the Control Panel and select View By and then select Category. And then go to Network and Internet. Select Network and Sharing Center and open that up. And now you would need to go to Change Advanced Sharing Settings. Now this settings window will come out. In here, expand this Private Networks option here. Make sure the network discovery is turned on. And here, turn on File and Printer Sharing. After that, expand All Networks section and turn off Network Protected Sharing. Now close the window. So to set up a shared folder, open File Explorer and create a folder. To share this folder, right click on it. Press Show More Options. Now select the Give Access to option and click on Specific People. From this drop down, select Everyone and click Add. Now in here, change the permission level to Read Write. Finally, click the Share button and press Done. From now on, this folder is shared. Now, move the file you need to share into this folder. And the contents of this folder are now accessible to other laptops. Now go to the recipient's laptop, open File Explorer. Here, click the network option. After that, you will see this error message asking you to turn on Network Discovery. To turn it on, click on this banner. Then select Turn on Network Discovery and File Sharing. And as you can see, the shared folder is now available. All that is left for you to do is copy the files from here and paste them into your designated folder. Now later, if you want to stop sharing the folder, right click on the shared folder, select Give Access to again, and click Remove Access. In here, press Stop Sharing, and you have stopped sharing the folder. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, then smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any kind of questions, so please ask them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.